Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. So today we want to solve the value of x given that x to the power of 3 is equals to x to the power of 5. So I'll begin by writing x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 5 is equals to 0. So bringing this 5 to the other side, bringing 5 on my left hand side, and it becomes a negative. So I'll write x to the power of 3 minus x squared times x cubed is equals to 0. So I've breaked down 5 to 2 and 3. So this means that when my bases are the same, I have x and x, I can add my exponents, and if we add, we are going back to 5. So our next step, if you can see, x to the power of 3 is common. We will factor it out. So x cubed, this will be, if I divide, I'll get 1 minus x squared is equals to 0. So x cubed into 1 plus x into 1 minus x is equals to 0. So for this case here, we will have 3 scenarios. So this will be our case 1, whereby we are equating x cubed with 0. So this is our scenario number 1. We are equating x cubed is equals to 0. So this x cubed, I'm going to cube root both sides, and on this side I'm cube rooting it both sides. So this will cancel. X is equals to 0, our first value of x. Case number 2, or scenario number 2, I'm going to equate 1 plus x is equals to 0. So this will be 1 plus x is equals to 0, whereby x is equals to negative 1. Bringing this negative to the other side, x is equals to negative 1. So we have 2 answers for the value of x. And our final answer, or our final scenario, is case 3. We have 1 minus x is equals to 0. So this will be 1 minus x is equals to 0. So this gives us 1 is equals to x, or x is equals to 1. So we have the value of x as 1. So this question had 3 solutions for x. So we have x is equals to 0, x is equals to negative 1, and x is equals to 1. So let us confirm and check out whether these values satisfy the above equation. Our question was x to the power of 3 is equals to x to the power of 5. I'll use x is equals to 1. So if x is equals to 1, this means that 1 to the power of 3 is equals to 1 to the power of 5. 1 to the power of 3, this gives us 1 is equals to 1 to the power of 1 gives us 1. So this satisfies our equation. With the scenario number 2, where we have x is equals to negative 1, so negative 1 to the power of 3, this gives us negative 1. Negative 1 to the power of 5, this gives us this gives us negative 1. So this means that these values here satisfy our equation. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye.